Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So SUMIF function is to sum the values in a range that meet criteria that you specify. Now you see we have name, type, total, value. Now you see type. So we are going to calculate values for grass, fire, water. Now you see type grass, fire, water, total sum. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal. Then write a sum if. Now start bracket. Now you see type 1 grass. Now select C4. Now you see range, criteria, sum range. So this is our format. Now drag and drop like this. So we select C4 colon C12. Now add comma and then we are going to set criteria. Now you see range, criteria, sum range. So this is our criteria grass. Now select. Now you see F5. So we have 3 value grass in type 1 column. Now add comma again and then you see sum range. So this is our value. Now select cell and then you see D4. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see D4 colon D12. So this is our sum if range, criteria, sum range. Now close bracket and then press enter. And then you see total value for grass 1248. Now you see we have 3 value for grass. If you calculate manually, then you can find this result 1248 for these 3 value 318, 405, 525. Now we are going to calculate value for fire using sum if condition or function. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal. Then write a sum if. Now start bracket. Now you see range type 1. Now select like this. Now you see C4 colon C12. Now add comma. Now select criteria fire. Now select and then you see F6. So we have 3 value of fire. Now you see. Now add comma again. And then sum range. Now select value D4. Now drag and drop like this. D4 colon D12. Now close bracket. Press enter. And then you see fire 1248 for these 3 value 309, 405, 534. And you will find formula in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.